Introducing Sony's top-of-the-line 4K block camera, the new FCB-ER9500. Built for cutting-edge applications in robotics, underwater imaging, UAVs, drones, and medical technology, this camera delivers professional-grade results in the most demanding environments. In robotics, underwater exploration, and drone-based inspection, the ER9500's 25x optical zoom and advanced stabilization deliver sharp, steady 4K images, even in motion or low light. With Sony's next-gen STARVIS 2 sensor, this camera captures vivid detail with ultra-fast focus and superior sensitivity, critical for real-time performance in fast-paced environments. Designed for all-day, all-night surveillance, with WDR, super image stabilization, and minimum illumination as low as 0.028 lux for true clarity in total darkness. The FCB-ER9500 is fully compatible with a wide range of interface boards, from IP streaming, H.264/H.265, to 4K HDMI, 12G SDI, and more. Whatever your system demands, this camera can integrate seamlessly. Reach out to Aegis Electronic Group to learn more, get a quote, or explore accessory options that make setup simple and scalable.